Welcome back. After a delay of almost 2 years, Mumbai to get a new metro line connecting the northernmost part of Mumbai, Dahisar, to the western suburbs Andheri. The line that will be launched in a couple of months will be operational in 2 phases. The first one being from Dahisar to Goregaon and the second one from Goregaon to Andheri. It will have 17 stations and it is going to reduce 80% of commuters' travel time.
Right now we are in a metro train which is actually on the line 7 of Mumbai Metro project. Talking about this particular line, this line is going to connect Dahisar part of the city, Dahisar to Andheri, which means Dahisar is the northmost part of Mumbai and Andheri which comes in western suburb. So this particular phase, this particular line is going to connect Dahisar with Andheri in 2 phases. First phase is from Dahisar till RA, till Goregaon, and we are at present at Goregaon metro station. And the next phase is going to be from Goregaon till Andheri. Now talking about this particular stretch, this particular line, according to MMRDA, this stretch, this line is going to reduce the travelling time of Mumbaikars as compared to what the time which usually one takes in order to cover that distance by road. That time by using this particular metro line is going to get reduced by 80%. Yes, that's the difference which this particular line is going to make as per MMRDA. Now this is that one line which was ideally supposed to start a couple of years ago in December 2019. But if we talk about MMRDA, not just lockdown, other technical difficulties, multiple litigations and various other delays actually have delayed this project by 2 years. And now MMRDA is expecting that within next 2 months, this particular line will be functional. As of now, it's going to be functional from Dahisar till RA, that is phase 1. And after some more time, the phase 2 will start. Talking about Mumbai Metro project, this is line 7 of Mumbai Metro project, which is going to connect the northernmost part of the city with the western suburb.
See, this line has started about 4 years back, construction, and it has reached a stage where we can say that we are submitting it for testing, and trial runs are going on.
Okay.
The trial run is going on, and the dynamic trials have started, which is the real trials for the metro, started in the month of July. And in the last 6 months, we could really push different teams, because this metro is consist of different things: civil teams, structural teams, electronics, communications, what have you, and even station designs. So many things had to be done.